Hello viewers, welcome to Royal Raj Hotel, Rajshahi. Royal Raj Hotel is the main lodging offering the convenience and accommodation of a 4-star hotel in the district. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, breakfast, swimming pool, etc. Reception: Deluxe Single, Junior Suite Room, Premium Single, Superior Double Room, Superior Single Room, Superior Twin Room. Restaurant, Conference Room, Swimming Pool. Royal Raj Hotel, Rajshahi, courtesy by porjotonbd.com, a website of Porjotonbd Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 01321 231755, 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, Videography Shathi Bonik, Voice Shathi Bonik, porjotonbd.com. Thanks for watching.